Our 3-inch wide, 75mm wide nozzle is very useful in duplicating the standard wave soldering process. Using lead-free solder, you can furlough the need to buy or convert your wave to a lead-free soldering system. The programmable feature allows you to step across and actually miss components that you would otherwise have to solder in a wave operation. The results are similar, if not exactly the same as what you'd expect off a standard wave soldering machine, while still maintaining the capability and all the benefits of a selective soldering process.